Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Additional Settings. Then select one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. Now you need to follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, swipe up or tap on this area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!